Hi, I'm JeriLynn, and this is AdventurousJeriLynn. Today I wanted to introduce my puppy dog. He is a 13-year-old German Shepherd, and his name is Bear. You may have noticed that I took off my Lyft on Tuesdays. I decided that although I do love my job, driving for Lyft, and sharing really funny stories, and some of those stories are pretty funny, I just decided that I want to just concentrate on what I really truly love, and it shouldn't always be about work, 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 my love for travel. So I decided I'm just going to keep to Mondays, talking about RV Mondays, and thank you so much. I appreciate you coming back and watching. Bye-bye.